Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jishan. You're watching another Discord.js video where I show you guys how you can code your own Discord bot using Discord.js. And in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up pages or advanced embeds where you can react to it with emojis and scroll through the pages. So in this episode, we're going to be utilizing the features that I showed you guys in the previous episode, which was all about embeds. As you can see right here, we created this rules embed in the last video. And if you're not sure how to do that, I strongly recommend you check out that video first before watching this, because we're going to be vastly utilizing the embeds, and it's strongly recommended that you know how to use and set up embeds. And if you're completely lost here, make sure to check out the first 3 episodes in this series where I'll show you guys how you can set up your own coding environment, set up your Discord application, make a command handler, and get things going. And like all the other videos, this video will be using an advanced command handler. So to get started, you want to open up your Visual Studio Code. This is where we left off with last time with the embeds command. So what we're going to do is now create another file inside our commands folder, and we're going to call it pages.js. And we're going to start off by typing const discord is equal to require discord.js. So in order for us to run this, we need to make sure we have some node modules. We're going to type npm I discord.js-pagination in our terminal. Press enter. That should install all the necessary node modules that we need. Once that is done, we can simply type const pagination is equal to require discord js-pagination. Once that is done, we can simply type how we regularly type any of our commands with module.exports. Give it a name, so pages. Give it a brief description if you want. This is a pages command. And then we're going to run our execute method, pass in client, message, args, and then discord. And then we're going to now create our pages. So const page1 is equal to new discord lowercase mat message embed. That is done, and now we're going to create a couple of methods. So set color, and then the next method is going to be set author, and then I'm just going to keep the name of my server. You can put whatever you want. Tutorial server. Next method will be the URL, so I'll just put my YouTube link. Next method is going to be the description. I'm going to say this is page 1, and actually I forgot to create a title, so over here the next method is set title page 1. And once again, you can put whatever you want in these methods, and the next method is going to be the thumbnail. So for the thumbnail, I have these links for each of the pages. So the first page is going to have an image of the number 1. Second page will have an image of number 2. And similarly for the other 2 pages. So copy that. Then I'm going to go to my Visual Studio Code, paste that in, and then finally set timestamp. There. What is there? No semicolon. Okay. So we have finished the page 1. So we can simply copy this for our page 2. Paste that in. And instead of page 1, make it page 2. Page 2. This is page 2. For the thumbnail, just get the thumbnail URL for the page 2. And make sure to put single quotation marks. And then I'm going to be doing 4 pages for this tutorial. You can do as many number of pages as you want. So that's going to be page 3. That'll be page 4. So let's just edit this and modify this to the correct page. So page 3, page 4, page 4, page 4. And now let's get the thumbnail URLs. So, and once again, you can put whatever you want in this thumbnail and save that, or get this. So now that we have created our pages, we need to create another page variable. So we're going to type const pages is equal to a bracket. So page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Okay, and now what we need to finally do is, or not finally, but what we need to do now is const emoji is equal to open bracket, and then do that. And now to fill in the emojis, you're gonna basically what the emojis are. They're like the reaction. So whenever you press the first emoji, you're gonna go forward, and when you press this second emoji, you're gonna go backward. So since this is a demo, it's ideal that I use the fast forward emoji and the rewind emoji. So for that, I'm gonna go to my Discord server, type rewind and fast forward, which I can just copy and paste it in, and paste that in. Now we're gonna finally type pagination, and then pass in message, and then pass pages and emoji. Okay, you want to make sure that this is inside of the modular export, so do that. Okay, we should be good to go. So run the bot, now it's based on. If we go to Discord server and type pages, we can see page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and if we click on the title of the page 4, it will go to my YouTube channel, and we can go back and forth. So that's there, and that looks beautiful and everything. And if you want, you can create more methods, like you can create like an image, add an image using the dot set image, add fields with dot add fields, and you can get a whole lot fancy with that. So if you're not sure what methods there are for the embeds, make sure to check out the embeds video. This is why I recommended at the beginning of the video that you should watch the embeds video before watching this. So there you guys have it. Now you know how you can create pages for your Discord server utilizing embeds. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, share this video with friends and family, comment down below with any questions that you have, and just wanted to give a quick note that once you type pages again, the previous pages will no longer work. So as you can see, this page is no longer working. However, this one is working. Basically, it times the previous one out, and so just that's one thing to keep in mind. And otherwise, there you have it. Hopefully this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.